Adding extra baggage in your British Airline is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can add extra baggage in your British Airline. So for that, you have to be at their website. As you guys can see, I'm at their homepage of their website. And now here, there are two options. So the first one is you want to add extra baggage for the flight that you have not booked yet. So for that, you just have to go here and start your booking. You just have to type in from where you want to go to where you want to go. And in the process of booking a flight, you'll also see an option for extra baggage. You just have to select that option. They will charge you some extra money for your extra baggage. You just have to pay that and your booking should be done. But if you already have booked the flight and you want to add extra baggage, you just have to hover on this manage icon, and here you just have to add your booking reference and last name of the passenger. After adding this, you just have to search for find my booking. In my case, I don't have any booking right now, so I cannot search. While searching, you will be able to see your profile or your booking. So you just have to select your booking and you can add the extra baggage in your booking. And they will charge you some extra amount of money for that as well. So that's how you guys can add extra baggage in your British Airways. Hope you guys find this video helpful.